Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to update FL Studio on Mac. First thing that you will have to do is to simply go and open your Google and search for FL Studio 21. Then you should go and click on this option right here, FL Studio 21. And now here it will open this page. Click on download FL Studio 21. And if you already purchased it, you can simply upgrade without having to buy it. So here in my case, I already bought it, so I do not have to click on Buy FL Studio. And now it will open this page. Here in my case, I will download it for the macOS, so I will click on download here. After downloading, you should open the downloaded file. Then here, you can simply click on install. After installing, give it the permission, click on allow. Then here you should go through all these steps. Just hit continue, continue again, agree to this license, scroll down to the bottom, then click on continue. Now click on agree, then click on install. You can even change the installation location if you need to do so. Click on install, and now you'll have to enter your Mac OS password, then click on install software. It will take some time validating packages, doing the process of writing files, registering the components, and after that it will show here this message that the installation is successful. Now go and open FL Studio, click on unlock FL Studio, then click on renew right here. Now put in your ImageLine account and your password, then click on unlock with account. It will here ask you for the verification code. They will send it to you through the email. So here you have it. You can simply copy it, then paste it right here and tap continue. And now because here I do not have actually any saved project, I will click on restart without saving. And after that it will restart and the new version will open with you FL Studio 21 instead of FL Studio 20 that was previously on my Mac. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please support us with like and subscribe, and goodbye.